Listen to this conversation. Customer. Excuse me, could I get a large coffee, please? Barista. Of course. Would you like anything else? Customer. Actually, yes. Could you add some oat milk? Barista. Absolutely. That will be $4.50. Let us look at the key phrases. Could I get is a polite way to order. It is more polite than give me a coffee. Would you like is used to offer something. Actually is used to add something or change your mind. Absolutely is a strong way to say yes. Now you try. Imagine you are at a restaurant. You want to order pasta and ask if they have vegetarian options. Use these phrases. Could I get? Do you have? And actually. Pause the video and practice out loud. I will wait. Here are more phrases for ordering and shopping. To get attention. Excuse me. To ask for help. Could you help me with this? To confirm. So that is one pasta. Correct? To thank. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Great work today. You learned how to have a polite conversation when ordering or shopping. Remember, being polite in English means using could, would, and please. Practice these phrases in real life and you will sound much more natural.